Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to automatically format in thousands or millions, or it could be billions. You can see the format here and it's also been applied in this chart. Okay, let's see how this can be done. So you need to select the numbers that you want to format and then use Ctrl+1 on your keyboard, or if that doesn't work for you, right click, Format Cells, go to Custom. Where it says General in this type box, you need to paste this code in. Now I've provided a link to this code in the description of this video. I'll just walk you through it. What we're doing here is we're specifying our first condition. So is the value greater than or equal to 1,000,000? If so, we want to format it in this way. So we're allowing for one optional decimal place. Now the 2 commas here are essential. They'll actually format the value in millions. And then we're suffixing the value with the letter M. Then we use a semicolon to basically say that condition is now complete. So the second condition is the value greater than or equal to 1,000? If so, we want to apply this format. So we've got one optional decimal place and we're using 1 comma to format the value in thousands. And we're suffixing that value with a K. And then finally, any other values that are below 1,000 just have the general format applied. Now, unfortunately, if you wanted to add another condition for billions, you're not going to be able to do that because the maximum number of conditions you're allowed in Excel in custom number formatting is 2. So if I click on OK, you can see it applies that formatting for me. Okay, so what about if we wanted to create a chart with this formatting? Well, if you already have the numbers formatted in your data, then when you create the chart and then add data labels, the data labels will automatically inherit that formatting. But say you're basing your chart on data that isn't formatted. Well, what we would do is click into the data, create the chart. And then if we go to data labels, but this time go to more options, what you need to do is expand the number category and in the format code box, paste in the code that I've provided, click on add, and you'll see that the labels are now formatted.